Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the leaders of the Golf Blitz application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the leaders button down below, which is the fourth icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you have two sections, players and teams. If you tap on one of these categories, for example, the first one, players, you have two subsections, global and local. If you tap on global, you can check out the global players that are leaders. If you tap on local, you are going to see the local leaders. If you click on teams, you can check out the global team leaders and the local team leaders in the second section. If you want to, you can tap on a certain leader and check out the team type, team location, required trophies, current trophies, and total members can be checked out too. If you are interested in one of the players, tap on its name and here you can check out its stats, trophies, and awards too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.